Hello my dear friends, welcome you all. Today we shall discuss a topic on science, that is derivation of equation of uniform oscillator motion. That is the third equation of motion. Here look at the figure. Here an object travels in uniform oscillator motion. It moves from point A to point B. Here the point A is called initial velocity. It is denoted by a symbol small u. A is equal to small u. And the B, or the final point, it is the increased velocity point. And it is denoted by a symbol small b. Means final velocity. Or B is equal to small b. And the distance between AB is denoted by small s. AB distance denoted by small s, and the time taken between the distance is denoted by small t. So time is equal to small t. Here friends, there are two velocities, the initial velocity and the final velocity. So the average velocity is equal to average velocity VAV, means average velocity is equal to u plus v by 2. It is the formula of average velocity. Now let us derive the third equation of motion. Friends, all we know that S is equal to Vt, means S, distance travelled, is equal to velocity and time, product of velocity and time. Here the velocity is average velocity. Here we got the formula of average velocity. Now here let us put the formula. Means S is equal to u plus v by 2 into t. Now let us put the value of t. Friends, we know from the first equation of motion, that is v is equal to u plus at. Here by transposition, v minus u is equal to at. Similarly, v minus u by a is equal to t. Here it is the value of t. Now let us put the value here. Here S is equal to u plus v by 2 into the value v minus u by a. Friends, we know in mathematics that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here similarly, here it is u plus b and v minus u. Mathematically is equal to b square minus u square by 2a. And here s is equal to 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Friends, it is the derivation of the third equation of uniform oscillator motion, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Thank you.